Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Samsung TV owners encounter: error code 1116. If you're seeing this error on your screen, don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to fix it. 1. First things first, let's understand what error code 116 means. Typically, this error indicates a problem with the HDMI connection between your TV and external devices such as a cable box, gaming console, or Blu-ray player. 2. The most common culprit behind error code 116 is a loose or faulty HDMI cable. So, let's start by checking the connections. 3. Ensure that the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the external device. Sometimes, a loose connection can trigger this error. 4. Next, let's try power cycling your TV and the connected devices. Simply unplug the power cords from both the TV and the external device. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. 5. Power cycling can often resolve temporary glitches and restore the HDMI connection. 6. If error code 116 persists, you can also try resetting the HDMI ports on your Samsung TV. To do this, navigate to the settings menu on your TV, find the general or support section, and look for the option to reset the HDMI ports. 7. Once you've reset the HDMI ports, re-establish the connection with your external devices and see if the error persists. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can troubleshoot and fix error code 116 on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.